emergency?
Hello, please. Hello, please. Hello, please.
Hi, what's the address you need the help?
Please.
What is the address you need the help? What is the address you need the help?
2562 Pacifica Boulevard, Pacifica. Gunshot. Please, bring police.
Wait, hold on.
Please.
Hold on. Confirm the location. You're talking too fast. What is the address?
2562 Pacifica Boulevard.
Okay, and what happened?
Gunshots.
Okay, were you shot?
I was shot twice in my arms. I can live, I think.
Okay.
Please bring ambulance.
Who did this? Who shot you?
My mom, Chinese woman in her early 50s. I don't know if
Mom
it's...
shot you?
Yes. My birth mom.
Okay. What is your name? What is your name? Tell me exactly what happened.
I heard gunshots when I woke up, but I couldn't tell because it was kind of quiet. And then to my door and just shot me twice. And I'm just happy she hit my arms. Please send help, please.
Okay, hold on. Help 30 coming, okay?
Charles 23. Myself 46 2797.
Good work. RP advised that he's locked himself in the bathroom and unknown where the mom went.
Hey, it's right here. 2562 is right here. Hey, stop! 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 Charles 23, shots fired. Suspects down.
Shots fired. 22 and 23 is that way. Copy.
Suspects down. She's driving. Just TC'd. Hold it. Just stay there. Just hold it. Yeah, I'm good. Hey, stop! Stop! Shots fired! Suspects down. Hold it. Right, hold it. You okay? Yeah.
Man, put your hands up! Hands up! In the car! Put your hands up!
Put your hands where we can see them!
I'm gonna grab the shield. Hold tight.
I'm going this side. Let's go right here. She definitely has a gun, but I don't see where it's at. I don't see the gun. It's in her hand. But she's slumped over. Back off. I could get it. Back up.
Someone, can you go with the apartment again?
It'll be 2562 Francisco apartment.
I'm gloving up.
Don't worry.
I got gun. I got firearm.
36 and 4, weapons secured. Medics can come in.
It's okay, just come on out.
Come on, dude.
You have anything on you, dude?
No.
You're good?
Okay. There's knives inside, but I don't have
Okay.
He's coming out right now, you guys.
Go straight to the ambulance. Got one on the side, one on the arm.
Yeah, straight.